Governor Ron DeSantis named UF Health Jacksonville one of 5 Florida hospitals that will distribute the vaccine. On your side's Kaylee Tracy learned the first shots could get to the First Coast in just a few days.
It's really gratifying when all this comes together, this really collaborative effort to go from a crazy, horrible virus to a fabulous solution in less than a year.
Dr. Michael Koren heads up the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine trials in Jacksonville.
Kudos, by the way, to our First Coast population. Lots of people have volunteered.
He also treats COVID-19 patients.
Emergency use authorization is different than approval. So when a product is approved, it means that the manufacturer can sell it to hospitals and pharmacies and things like that. But for emergency use, it means it's under the control of the government, basically.
The FDA's authorization for this vaccine is a significant milestone in battling a devastating pandemic that has affected so many families in the U.S. and around the world.
Florida will receive more than 179,000 doses of the vaccine in the first round, but the vaccine needs 2 doses to be effective. In the first shipment, 97,500 doses will go to hospitals like UF Health for healthcare workers in high-exposure parts of the hospital. Doctors at UF Health say they've been preparing to store the vaccine for a while. Prep that includes storing it in negative 70 degrees Celsius temperatures. A little more than 141,000 doses will go to nursing homes and assisted living facilities. The vaccine is not expected to be available to the general public until the spring or summer.
Americans can have trust and confidence that the vaccine meets FDA's rigorous standards for safety and effectiveness.
Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News, on your side.